This 2022 Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite 2506S like new travel trailer couples coach is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 25 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, LP detector, air conditioning, oven, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, slide-out, smoke detector, awning, DVD player, spare tire kit, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front kitchen, front living area, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite 2506S like new travel trailer couples coach is 5,528 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.